Comparing Patagonia's Nano Puff and Micro Puff jackets. 1. Durability and material. The Nano Puff is more durable, made with 20 denier fabric, whereas the Micro Puff uses a thinner 10 denier fabric. 2. Insulation and warmth. The Micro Puff has lighter, warmer insulation compared to the older technology in the Nano Puff. 3. Weight and packability. The Nano Puff is heavier and less packable, while the Micro Puff is lighter and easier to pack. Despite this, both jackets have similar pack sizes. 4. Price. The Micro Puff is around $50 more expensive than the Nano Puff, with prices approximately $249 and $199 respectively. 5. Weather resistance. The Nano Puff offers better weather resistance compared to the Micro Puff. 6. Pocket design. The Micro Puff features 2 internal dump pockets, while the Nano Puff has an internal zippered chest pocket. Choosing between them depends on your priorities, such as warmth to weight ratio, durability, packability, and budget. Folding the Patagonia Micro Puff jacket involves a simple process, typically designed to fit into its own pocket for easy storage. Here's a general guide. 1. Lay the jacket flat. Start by laying the jacket out on a flat surface. Smooth out any wrinkles. 2. Fold the sleeves. Fold each sleeve onto the back of the jacket. Make sure the sleeves are neatly aligned with the jacket's body. 3. Fold in half. Fold the jacket in half vertically so the front of the jacket is folded onto itself. 4. Locate the pocket. Find the jacket's designated stuff pocket. It's usually one of the hand pockets, but it might have a label or a double-sided zipper indicating it's designed for packing. 5. Begin stuffing. Start stuffing the jacket into the pocket. It's okay to be a bit forceful. The jacket is designed to handle this kind of compression. 6. Zip it up. Once the jacket is fully stuffed into the pocket, zip it up. Some jackets have a loop or a clip for attaching it to a backpack. If you have the jacket with you, it's often helpful to look for any specific instructions or features that might be unique to your model. Patagonia designs their jackets to be easily packable, so the process should be straightforward.